Style. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dough. Style. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing.
Everyone and their mothers have their brows bleached for this summer, so let's do it. We're gonna use concealers instead. We're gonna do a warmer concealer for our first layer. Hopefully with this warmer concealer, we're gonna cancel out a little bit of that grayness. Going back and forth with my spoolie to make sure it's coating every single hair. Oh my god, I look really funny. I'm gonna take a lighter concealer and go over. Okay, I feel like this is as good as it gets. I'm gonna take this copper shade and just dust it all over my eyes. I'm gonna bring it a little bit higher up than I usually would, almost as close to my eyebrows. Ooh, I'm gonna take a bit of this shimmer shade, pack it onto the lid. I kind of want to add a pink graphic liquid liner, but this could literally make or break the look. Should we do it? Should we do it? Okay, fuck it, we're gonna do it. Kind of love it. I'm gonna add a little dot here. Adding another dot here because I feel like it was missing something. Okay, I love this. We're gonna have to match this graphic liner to the other side. Be right back. Okay, I may have snapped with this liner. Wait, I actually love how editorial this look turned out. I'm gonna do this Rare Beauty reddish blush. I'm gonna make sure I connect it with the eyeshadow as I'm blending. Since I don't have eyebrows, I'm going to put on a few extra layers of mascara to really make my lashes super dark and chunky. Ooh, the drama. To finish off this editorial look, we're going to go in with a dark lip. Ooh. And this is the final makeup look. This look is everything. If you accidentally get mascara on your lids, instead of using a Q-tip that's going to either smudge mascara everywhere or take away your eyeshadow, try waiting for the smudge to dry and then use a dry spoolie to scrape it off. It's not perfect, but for an everyday quick fix, it's good enough for me. Try it out. I got it. The way that this is the perfect nudish brown shade just on my bare lips, I'm gonna try it over some brown lip liner. Wow, I cannot get over how pretty this shade is. Okay, Rihanna has done it again.
Style. Style is the answer to everything.